You can connect EC1. Okay. Now, what you will do it to connect to the EC1, you will say SSH, or if you are not familiar with the command, no need to worry. You go to the EC2 instance which you have created it. Both the instances are running there. Both the instances is running there, and you will get the command also to connect it. Okay, you will get the command to connect it. So what you need to do it, you just click on the instance. Okay, you just click on select your instance and click on connect. Select all your instance and click on connect, and you will get the command here only, SSH client command. This is the command you need to type it out. SSH-I scp.pam, and this is the one. Okay, so just do this thing. I'll just simply paste this command and I will be logged in my remote machine. Okay, this is first instance. This is my first instance where I have logged in. Again, I'll show you. Go to EC2. Those who are very new to this, go to EC2. You are running both the instances here. Select one of them. You can select one. Click on connect. Go to SSH client, and if you scroll down, you will find it out. The command is there, SSH-I. You need to copy and paste this command, and you will be logged in your. This is fine till this point. Anyone is facing this issue for login through Git Bash or through terminal or PowerShell? Mobile Extreme Putty will not work because we are using PAM files. Mobile Extreme and Putty will not work because we are using PAM file. You have downloaded the PAM file. I have shown you the connect string. That's it. If I ask you to log in the second EC2 instance from here, what is required? If the question is, if I ask you to log into the second instance to this from this EC2 instance, what is required using SSH? Not need to from here only. If I ask you from this EC2 instance, I need to go and log into the second EC2 instance. What is required? You need the PAM file? Yes, no. Is it required or not the PAM file? Where is the public key? This PAM file is there now. I need this PAM file, correct? So go and open this PAM file in Notepad. Go and open this PAM file in Notepad. Copy the content of the PAM file, Control A, Control C. Come to the EC2 instance. The first EC2 instance which you open it here using VI. You can give any name. I say test.pam and paste the PAM file for the second EC2 instance. We need to connect to the second EC2 instance from here. So I need the PAM file access. So what you will do it, the PAM file of second EC2 instance. If you have used the same one, fine. If you have created the new one, just go to that PAM file, open that location, open the PAM file in the Notepad, open with Notepad, copy the content, Control A, Control C, go here, open the VI, paste the PAM file, escape:/WQ. Done, everyone. PAM file, can you copy it? Everyone, the second EC2 instance PAM file, whether you have used same one or they were different one, anything is fine with me. Whether you have used same one or different one, I am fine with that. Is that fine? Anyone is not able to copy the PAM file, you want me to repeat the step, I will repeat it. Okay. Now, what is there? You need the second EC2 instance IP address. That's it. I need the second EC2 instance IP address. Okay. Note down the IP address of second EC2 instance. Okay. This is my second EC2 instance public IP. I need it. You need second EC2 instance public IP. You need second EC2 instance public IP. Just note it down, the public IP of your second EC2 instance. This is my public IP. Now you want to create a file. You want to copy a file from source to destination. So where you logged in, that is source, correct? So I will create some file here, which I want to copy it. Let me create some file, touch file. Okay, I created one file, which I will be copying to the remote location. Now what you will run it? First, touch is the Linux command. We have discussed in the last session as well to create a file. We did it. Now you will be running the command scp. I told you scp name of the file. Okay. -i because we are using the PAM file. So you need to give the PAM file name and then your remote EC2 instance user ID and the IP address, which you have copied it. What is this? And the location where you want to copy it. So I will be copying it home Ubuntu. Okay. Again, I am repeating it. You have created a file. You want to copy this file. The location, the user will be the spam file Ubuntu at the rate destination. When you give it, it will prompt it. You press yes. Permission will be denied. I stuck up after escape colon WQ. You have not saved it. You have not saved the PAM file. Guys, have you saved the PAM file or not saved the PAM file? I think so, sir. Okay. VI, have you attended the VI session?